So the next one here is, okay, now we all know what it is. It's a snail, because that's only the thing which have that, you know, circular kind of a thing. Okay, so it's all done. And now we are drawing a duck. And how many of you seen that there's a very famous cartoon on duck? Now you should all tell me the name of that cartoon. Okay, done. Okay, now the next one here is drawing 3 and then a bigger 3 and then again a smaller 3. Okay, so it's all about a 3 and we have made a fish here. So isn't it easy? So see, you can draw so many different things with the help of numbers. So just be with us and we are gonna teach you all of them. Now again drawing some numbers and okay, now this is gonna be a bunny because of those ears and legs, I can definitely tell you that. And yeah, see, so it's done and he's looking quite amazing. Not original actually, earlier was also my original voice, but okay. So I was just talking about myself. So here we have made a pretty Hans, that's what we call that in Hindi, swan, a couple of swan.